Hello, engineering students. In exercise 16, we have this wrench-looking object. Let me go ahead and try and make this so you can see how I would do it. So in Autodesk Inventor, new part, tools, document settings, units, inches, change that to millimeters, click OK. 3D model, start a 2D sketch. We're going to click on the XY plane. And we're going to start off by making that one circle on the far left side. Let me see. That has a diameter of 34. Oops, pressing escape. I'm going to make that 34. 34. Click front. And the distance between the center to, it looks like right about here. There's this curve right here. That's 32 with radius. Okay, so let me zoom out here. Click. I'm going to, I want to line it up. This needs to be lined up. Click. I'm going to right click, change that to radius. That was 34. The distance was 164.9 between those two centers. So let's type that in, 164.9 front. Of course, that's going to get cut up. There's these lines right here. Let's make this big ellipse here. So we'll make that big ellipse. That is, it looks like it's 90 by 26. So 90 in this direction, and then from the center of it, 26. Okay, so click on circle, click on ellipse. And you're going to draw, so this is, let me press escape, let me try that again. Click ellipse. From the center here, from this line, click, and you'll see it's going to expand outwards in both directions. And then click. Now click dimension. Let me go back up. 90 by 26. Okay, so we're going to click on the center and then this side, and then depending on where you move your mouse. Oh, let me try that again. Oh, okay. Things have changed a little bit. You only have to click on one, like, you just have to click on it. So I'm going to click on the outside edge, and depending on where you move your mouse, see how it's changing from 22 to 44. Okay. Now in the technical drawing, the whole length from top to bottom is 90. Half of 90 is 45. And then 26 is the outside dimension, or the radius, this inside radius here. So click. So then when it makes it the smaller number, click, and that's just going to be 26. Okay. Now the center of, okay, I gotta figure out where to put the ellipse in relation to this angle, this curve right here. 26. That is, I'm thinking. Between this center is one, and then between the edge to here is 26. But where is this place? Do you guys see it? 13. Oh, here it is, 13.8. So between the two centers is 13.8. So I'm gonna press escape. I want that. That means that this needs to move over. So I'm just grabbing it and moving it over. And then clicking on dimension, clicking on the two centers of those circles, and that was, oh, I already forget, 13.8. 13.8. Did I do that right? 13.8. Oh no, it's the other way. I'm gonna click undo. Undo, undo, undo. This ellipse needs to be on the left side. Okay, and then that's 13.8. Okay, now, where is this? We have this diameter of 50. So click on ellipse, make it a circle again. Click on the circle, right click, it needs to be a diameter 50. And then click line. We're going to draw a straight line to connect right here. If you go past it, that's okay. Enter, 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 there we go. Because what we'll do is we're going to trim now. So I'm going to click trim, trim that line, trim that line, trim this line, trim that line. Okay. These horizontal lines right here, it looks like they are 20 away from the centers of the circles. Let's make sure we constrain those circles. So I'm going to click on horizontal constrain, and I'm just going to click on the centers of the circles so they stay locked in place. Clicking on line, and let's see. I'm just going to draw a line out here and press enter and dimension it from the center to the line. That's supposed to be 20. And then do the same thing underneath it. You don't want it to like click, you don't want it to lock on anything though. But you definitely want to dimension it to 20. Okay. And now let's use extend. So I'm clicking extend, and I'm going to just extend that line by clicking on it until it touches this one right here. There's probably a better way to do this, but this is the way I'm trying it. Okay, I'm happy with that. Now we trim away all of this excess stuff here. So we don't need these lines. We don't need this line. We don't need these lines. We don't need these lines. Is that it? Did we do it? Yeah, we did it. There it is. Wonderful. So there's the wrench. Now we just have to, let me double check. Now we just have to extrude it by 10. All right, so finish sketch. Click on home, extrude, click on the shape, and 10, and there you go. You have your little wrench. That was a little more difficult than I anticipated, but yeah, maybe you thought of a better way to do it. That was the way I did it in real time. I never made this part before now, so I think it's interesting. I think it's an interesting part. Had some fun little challenges to it. So good luck making this exercise, and reach out if you need help.